Here's the TCM. So right now that's missing. And I am not sure if the van can start without it. I'm not sure. Because if it's disconnected, I mean, we're gonna be getting codes. Wow, so there's no right or wrong way to plug them in. You're just not gonna be able to plug them in correctly. So now I am the one that's starting it without the TCM. So that could be an issue. Guys, we started the van. We started it. Yes. Yes. We started it. We have started it.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.